Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am so happy you're here. I have the most special guest in the house with me today, all the way across the pond from Queensland, Australia. Can you guess who that girl is? Can you guess? It is my Gilly girl. And Gilly, I am so happy that you are here with me. This is so exciting. Wowzer trousers is all I have to say. And from what I hear, you've lost your bra. And you've decided to keep it off forever. Good for you, girl. Gilly and I have been working on a collab for quite a few months now. We had technical difficulties and issues with sending things across the pond, and we finally got it all figured out, and I am over the moon excited, guys. We are both working on a 10 by 20 or a 10 by 30 canvas. The only rules were the paints that we use, and it has to be a floral theme, which Gilly picked. Our colors today are copper, gold, teal, and pearl, and then we were each allowed to pick one additional color, and we were allowed to use white or black as our base coat or an added paint. So I'm really super excited about this, guys. Now, she needs no introduction. All of you, I am certain, know about sweet Gilly Kube. She's been around for a while. She's been an inspiration for me from the beginning of my pouring journey, and there's just something about her. That wonderful voice of hers, that disposition. She's just really good people. She's relaxed, she's kind, she's sweet, and as she always says, it's just paint, guys. Enjoy it, be happy in your zone. And Gilly, you got the best disposition, and I am absolutely crazy about you. I'm going to talk kind of fast here because Lito is in the room and he's got a plastic bottle. So let's talk about our colors, guys. Our colors are fun and yummy. In this cup right here, we have golden iridescent pearl in the fluid. In this cup right here, we have golden fluids iridescent gold fine. This pretty color right here is golden acrylics iridescent copper. Yummy color right here, golden fluids turquoise. And this is my added color. I'm not sure what Gilly used. Gilly girl. I called her Gilly forever until I realized it was Gilly. So now it's my Gilly girl. This right here is golden burnt sienna in the fluid. I also have in this cup and this little squeeze bottle right here some black. That is my Artist Loft black. My pouring medium today is 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden GAC 800. A few of these paints needed to be thickened up a little bit, so I use my mix pour, which I absolutely love. Base coat colors are a combination of the golden turquoise and the golden iridescent pearl. Tools that I have here on hand are my different size cut up pieces of damp paper towels. My cut up pieces of flexible plastic, which I have been using from the beginning of my pouring journey. It's just a cut up report cover. It's the plastic cover that I cut into different sizes. Some popsicle sticks. and my skewer. So I'm really super excited, guys. Promise me after you finish with this video, you'll head over to my girl's channel. The link will be posted in the description box below, but I know you all know where she's at and how to find her. Gilly, I love you, girl. I'm happy to be painting with you. Thanks for hanging out with me, girl. Let's get busy, guys.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. Do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. More than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Nowhere I'd rather be than with you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold